feature that it has which is different is an anti-tremor, and it's particularly applicable to a trackball actually, because if you have a tremor, then it becomes almost impossible to get over an app and click on it in time. But the anti-tremor feature will filter all of that out for you. So if I press and hold, double tap, notice that the LED has turned orange to indicate that the feature is on, and now to a large extent that tremor has gone. So you've got a much better chance of being able to actually click on that app. But there is another level as well, actually 3. So go up a level and it's filtered out that little bit more, and the maximum level, and it's really taken the tremor out completely. And then a further press, you're back to normal operation.